Today I'm sharing a very good typography transition pack. It's in the ultimate transition pack where there are 200 over high-end transitions. So basically it's very easy to apply. Just drag and drop on the timeline and you can choose, for example this one, you can edit a lot of colors, edit the font, the size of the wordings. Yeah, there's a lot of edits you can do. Even the box itself can be highlighted differently and the words can be in different color as well. So the effects is very good, like this one. It can be used for your vlog, for your music video, for your corporate video. It's very nice. The next transition is very clean and very tidy. And still you can edit the fonts, the color of the font and the background. And when you apply it, it's like those postcards. It's very simple and very good looking. And this one is like those countdown videos. You can put numbers in it, you can change the background, you can change the shape of the circle spinning out from the center of the picture. It's very good when you're doing some countdowns for these music videos or whatever videos you're doing. The last one I'm introducing is this one. This one is very good for technology reviews or even news programs or even some entertainment shows. Again, you can edit all the colors, the font, the wordings, and it's very professional looking. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys like it and please subscribe. Bye bye.